welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be doing some fidget toy trading. And by the way, my cat is in here sleeping. She's sleeping. But yeah. So yeah, I'll do some more. I'm gonna do some fidget toy trading. And if you don't know what fidget toys are, they're just like toys that help with things that you need and all that. So yeah, let's get started. Trying to set you guys like right there. Okay. Okay. So yeah, let's get started. Okay. So I think I'm gonna trade my legendary puppet. So yeah, let's trade my puppet. Let's trade. Okay, trading this puppet. Okay. Trading legendary puppet. Going once. Me! Okay, what's your offer? Let me see what I have to offer. I would trade this. By the way, guys, this is fake fidget toy trading. And by the way, I'm just playing by myself, so yeah. I'm pretending my cat is a person, so. I'll trade this squishy thingy. This textured light up ball. This water timer thingy. Is this stuff good enough for you? Can you please add? Okay, fine. I'll add this legendary squishy that changes colors. And then I'll trade my purple Anido. I mean, that's a really good trade, but I'm gonna have to have you to add because I can't really accept your offer yet. Fine. I'll add this cupcake slime. It's super cool. Let me feel it. Okay, you can feel my slime. Okay, this is like a pretty good slime, and it smells super good, you guys. See, it smells super good. Okay. And then I will add my wacky track. Is that good enough for you? All of this stuff. It's a really good offer. Can you add a little bit, please? Super legendary to me. So if you could add, that'd be awesome. Fine. I'm trying to set you guys up at a good angle. Trying to set you guys up on a good angle so you guys can see. Okay, so I added all of this stuff. I even added a legendary wacky track. Can you please accept? Please add. You're really low. Fine. Fine. I will add a green wacky track. This fidget flat thingy. Please add. Fine. I will add this emoji. By the way, it's dirty, sorry. And then I will add my favorite. It's textured. I'll add all of this stuff for a dang poppet because they're really famous now. Add, please. Like 2 more small things, please. Okay, I'll add a yellow marble mesh. Add a yellow marble mesh. And I will add this cute cat's slow rising squishy. Okay, you got yourself a deal. There you go. There you go. Here's all of your fidgets. Yay. Finally, I now have freaking pop it. Okay, so you guys, by the way, this is fake. I'm not trying to be rude or nothing, but yeah. So if you go onto TikTok and you see fidget toy trading, this is what I mean. But yeah, it's meant for kids, and yeah. So now I'm going to play with my slime. I'm going to show you guys what this slime is. It's a cupcake slime with pretty sprinkles, and I got it at Five Below. You can get all of your fidgets from, well, I didn't get all of mine. I got most of them from Christmas. But, yeah, and it comes with this cute container with a little puffy lid. Super stretchy. It's very stretchy. So, yeah, I give that a 10 out of 10. I definitely recommend. So if you want to, you can buy all of your fidgets from Amazon. I'll be getting a Tangle soon, like a Tangle fidget toy. If you don't know what that is, you can look it up. It's called a Tangle fidget toy. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more YouTube videos. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that subscribe bell. But if you don't want to, you don't have to. So, yeah. Comment down below. What's your favorite color? That's what I want to know. So, yeah. Have a good day, guys. Bye.